What if I told you that every image you generate in Gemini could become fully editable in Canva with just one simple prompt? No downloading, no starting from scratch. Let me show you how. First, open Google Gemini and make sure your language is set to English because this feature works best that way. Next, open Settings, then go to Personal Intelligence. After that, tap Connected Apps. Scroll down to the Other section, find Canva and turn it on. Now just follow the prompts to connect your Gemini account with your Canva account. It only takes a minute. Once everything is connected, go back to Gemini and generate any image you want. When the image is ready, type this exact prompt. Make this image editable in @Canva. Then hit send. Give it a few seconds, and that's it. Gemini will send the image straight to Canva as an editable design. Now you can change the text, replace elements, move objects around, adjust colors, or customize the design however you like. It's a huge time saver if you create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, or pretty much any graphic. Pretty awesome, right? If you found this trick useful, make sure to save this video so you don't forget it, and share it with a friend who loves using AI and Canva. I'll see you in the next tutorial.